Hi everyone, so today's problem of the day is maximum number of balloons. And what is given in description? Given a text, you want to use, given a string text, you want to use the characters of text to form as many instances of the word balloons as possible. You can use each character in text at most once and return the maximum number of instances that can be formed. So we will be giving one string text and we need to form this balloon instance. Balloon instance means there will be a number of characters in the text string and we need to pick this BALLOON from these string, and every character in the text we can take at most one. That means maximum only one time we can take that character, or we can skip that character. But at most one time we can take. After taking that characters from the text string, we need to form balloon, and we need to find how many balloons is possible, maximum number of instances that can be formed of the balloon. So we need to form balloon. Form balloon means we need to take the character from the text string and we need to we need to see how many BALLOON we are able to form. So basically, to see how many balloon instance we are able to form, basically, if you are able to understand that, we need to find how many BALON are present in the text string, and to find the frequency of the characters in the text string. Hope you are able to understand which data structure we can use. If you know the data structure, you can mention in the comment section, and you can pause it and you can mention it. Then you can continue and see if you are thinking the data structure that is correct or not. So so let me tell you, the data structure we need to use in this will be map. Why we are using map? Because we need to find the frequency of the character, and to find the frequency, map is the best data structure we can use. So we will be able to find the frequency of these characters using map. First we will be able to find the frequency, then that question is very easy. How it is easy? How we can find the minimum frequency of the balloon? Basically we can do minimum of frequency of B comma frequency of A comma frequency of L, and since 2L are present, so we can divide it by 2, comma frequency of O divided by 2, comma frequency of N. If we will take the minimum of these all, then we will able to get the how many instances of balloon we can form. Why we are doing this frequency divided by 2? Because we need 2L and 2O. So if my number of L will be 4, then I need to do 4 by 2, that means 2, because by using 4L I can make only 2 balloons, because in my one balloon 2L will be utilized, and in my second balloon my other 2L will be utilized. That's why I need to do this divide by 2 to find this minimum of all, and at the end this minimum will give me the answer for this question. If I will try to find for this example 1, then in example 1, if you can see, in example 1, if we can see how many B are present, the number of B will be only 1. If we will try to find the A, so only one A is present. Then L is 2 L's, so L equals to 2. Then O are 1 and 2, so 2 O are present. Then N, 1 N is present. So if we will take the minimum of 1, 1, 2 divided by 2, 2 divided by 2, 1, then what will be the minimum? Minimum will be 1 only, because every value is 1. So minimum also will be 1. So 1 is the answer for this example. Now if we will see for the second example, if we will try to find the frequency of all, so B, how many B are present? So B are 2. 2 B's are present. B A. Now coming to the A, to 1, 2, 2 A are there. And L, so 1, 2, 3, 4 L are there. Coming to O, so 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 O are present. And coming to N, so N will be 1 and 2. So 2 N are present. If we will take the minimum of these two, so 2, 2 and L and O, we need to divide by 2. So 4 by 2, 4 by 2, 2. So how many, what will be the minimum of these? 2 will be the minimum. So we can return 2. Coming to the third example for better clarity, LEETCODE. So if we will find the number of B, so 0, A is also a 0, then L is 1, then O is 1, and N is 0. So if we will try to find for this, then 0, 0, 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 0. The minimum for all these will be 0 only, so we can return 0 in this case. So coming to the constraint, it is given that text length can range from 1 till 10 to the power 4, and we will only have the lowercase character in this text string. So if we will see for the solution, what I have done in the solution, basically I have used this map string, unordered map, to store the frequency of every character. Then I'm looping for every character in the text. Why? If you don't know the use of this auto we are using, if we auto can be considered for any data type. Like if my this in my case, the if I will see my text of 0, 1, 2, this at all index there is character. But if I will use some vector int, then also I can use directly this auto. Auto may we don't need to declare the data type of the character or the integer at that index. So auto IT. We will loop through every character. Character site is representing the characters. We will loop through every character in the text string, and we can add that into an unordered map. And then we will we don't need to use this because I have directly used this minimum function, so this you can avoid. Then return minimum of MP of B, MP of A, L divided by 2, O divided by 2, and N. So minimum will be my answer because minimum will give me the number of maximum number of instance we can make of this balloon. So if we will see the time complexity in this case will be big of n because we are using this one for loop, and time space complexity will be big of n only because we are using this extra space, this map we are using. So this is the solution. Hope you are able to understand. If you will have any query, you can reach out to me in the comment section. I will try to answer all your questions there. So yeah, thank you.